In town on county sewer rancher with 4 bedrooms, 2 baths and 2088 square of living area on 0.45 acres. This home has very spacious rooms, living room, dining room, and bonus room. Home offers beautiful knotty pine paneling in several rooms, central HVAC, paved driveway. The home needs some renovations to be completed. Homeowner has put new 4 joists in parts of the home, needs new flooring in several rooms, bonus room to needs completion and bathrooms to be completed. There is a 1-car attached garage, detached workshop and storage building. Seller is selling as is new owners to do completion of work. Walk to town for shopping, schools, restaurants and only about 7 miles to Haven Beach to Chesapeake Bay.